So Developers Lab is a company dedicated to bridging the digital divide. And how do I plan to do that? I plan to build, design, develop, and build a free and open source GSM infrastructure. This includes the device side as well as the base station side. And to do that, I need a seed money. That's why I'm here today. To give you a brief background on the digital divide, if you look at on the red square in Africa, in Mali, where the GDP per capita is at $1,200, while in USA here, the GDP per capita is $46,000. So what's the problem with that? Then if you go to the left side here, you can see the prepaid phone rate in Mali is 20 cents a minute, and in USA is 30 cents a minute for the GDP, and it's really a big problem. And this is when it's available, it's not affordable. And so the solution I propose is to have a system where it will be available and affordable, and the cell phone will cost 1 cent a minute anywhere in rural Africa. So how do I want to do this? Currently, all the solutions available in the market cannot meet these goals. So I have to develop something from scratch. This includes two components, the Open GSM infrastructure and the GSM spectrum. On the infrastructure side, you have a base station and the handset. So the handset can be built based on existing free open source GSM phone references. So I can take, for example, the Osmocom, which will be the protocol stack, free available. And also, once you have a protocol stack, you can load it into a hardware reference model, for example, OpenMoko, which is free and available to public. And then on the base station side, I will need to develop a protocol stack from scratch, the GSM protocol stack. And then once I have it, another option would be if I can get the big GSM vendors. This is a 20+ years old technology. So to release the protocol stack to public for developing areas like West Africa and rural areas. So this is not very likely, but it's a viable option. And then another solution, another component is the RF spectrum. If you bid for the spectrum in the market, it's going to be very expensive and not cost effective. So the solution is to approach government in rural areas in Africa if they're interested in economic development of the rural areas. So they can find a solution, and the spectrum is more likely sitting there. So give out the spectrum, special spectrum, to companies, private companies or public agencies, and depending on the availability of the spectrum. So you can different bands here. So on that band, you give it out, and you actually customize your own GSM infrastructure with an available spectrum. And this is a solution. You can meet the objective here by having a cell phone at 1 cent a minute, with a cell phone costing less than $10. Very good solution for rural areas in developing countries. So one case deployment scenario, just to give an idea, there is a National E-Health Agency and Medical Informatics in Mali. So currently, they use a two-way radio system for all the communication across the health centers in the country. So for two-way radio, you have a lot of limitation on that. So we're trying to migrate to a 2G 3G system. But then this 2G 3G system will use existing wireless communications, which is not very cost-effective for them. And so to look at the solution I propose now to them is if I can have this open GSM infrastructure, and there can be an operator selling the service on that platform. The initial investment might be $5 million, but as you go, in 5-10 years, as you can see, the green light is going to be very cost effective.